So, friends, after having a wonderful evening and relaxed morning at Kashid Beach, we made our way to Murud Janjira. Watch my video on Kashid Beach, especially to enjoy amazing drone shots of the beach. Murud Janjira is 20 kilometers away from Kashid Beach. It takes around 45 minutes. We decided to skip Murud and reach out straight for the famous Murud Janjira Island Fort. And this is the diversion to Khora bandar. We can get boat from here to Janjira Fort Island. There, you can see the island fort. The entry road to Khora bandar is quite good for scenic photography. As you can see, ferry service was closed due to pandemic. So what to do? We decided to indulge in some flying photography. We tried to catch the island fort, but the wind was too strong and distance was more than 2 kilometers. We did manage to catch a beautiful shot of Ekdara Dongari area, which lies in between Murud and Janjira. We decided to continue further to get closer to Janjira Fort. The nearest village to the island fort is Gharapuri. The road to Gharapuri is very beautiful. There are a couple of places for some real good photography. Gharapuri looks less like a village and more like a well-developed small town. This is Janjira Beach. Looks like it needs a bit of cleaning activity. We were hoping to get some kind of boat service from Gharapuri to Island Fort. Alas, it was closed too, courtesy pandemic. So what to do? It was really hot. Soda pop. That was our answer. I really like that sound when he pops the soda cap. It was fun to watch and hear the sound. And we thought a bit of fizzy drink will be great. There was nothing much we can do. We still did not lost our hope. So after returning out of Gharapuri town, we stopped at a strategic place and decided to fly our machine. We cannot reach, but maybe the machine can. Let's find out. Whoa, this is encouraging. The wind was strong. The screen registered a distance of 800 meters. I was beginning to lose control. My friends and kids were advising me to get it back to safety before I lose it to the vast sea, which gobbles up everything. But just wait a minute, this is worth taking the risk. In the middle of the small island, surrounded by seawater, you have fresh water pond and well. Something to think about. There are total 19 bastions all around. This fort has remained impregnable. Nobody could conquer it. Nah, not even Britishers. For a long time, it was ruled by Siddis. It is considered to be one of the strongest sea fort in our country. And of course, from top, it looks very beautiful. It's really not very far away from the shore. A good swimmer should be able to reach it easily without any problems. Finally, the wind was getting too strong. I started retrieving it back. I liked the footage it captured. Let me know in comments whether you all liked it or not. Finally, we made our way back to Murud. It is only a 15-minute ride, just 5 kilometers away. Once you cross this bridge, you basically have reached Murud from Janjira side. Murud Beach is quite famous, but it tends to get crowded with lots of tourists. We stopped at Murud for one and only one reason. Patil Khanaval. We were hungry. The oldest eating house in Murud town. The entrance looks small, but look at the place. Yes, it is open air eating house. I will not call this place as a restaurant. It is more of an eating house. The food served here has got homely touch. Traditional, authentic, homely Maharashtrian, veg, non-veg, especially fish and prawns. Just as you would find in any home of coastal Maharashtra. That's what makes it special. You will be served in 5 minutes from the time you order your food. That is guaranteed. Plenty of space for people and for the cars too. Faro and Z ordered fish plates. Me and Sami opted for vegetarian plate. One of the tastiest soul curry I had was here. It is a delicate tangy drink prepared from kokum and coconut milk. Anybody who visits Murud Janjira must pay a visit to Patil Khanaval. It is budgeted and pocket friendly. We decided to help this innocent calf a bit. We encouraged him a bit and he got encouraged too. My kid tried it too. First a bit using discretion. Then finally, a bit bravely. We all enjoyed at Patil Khanaval. Finally, it was evening. We had to catch our M2M RORO ferry to get to Mumbai. After driving like crazy for 2 hours, we reached M2M ferry. Do watch my special video on M2M ferry. Our wonderful excursion to Alibaug, Kashid, Murud Janjira finally came to an end. We finally saw a way to reach our home.